Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety and legality non-negotiable. Check local and federal restrictions and ensure ownership and transfer paperwork are in order. Once done, prioritize personal protective equipment and a clear workspace if you must handle the slide yourself briefly. Most of the time, make sure to engage a licensed gunsmith or a professional metal finisher. They understand compliance, documentation, and liability. Doing this prevents legal issues and reduces risk to you and others while preparing the piece for any cosmetic work. Once you have a short list, interview each shop to learn what they actually do and why. Ask about licenses, insurance, and prior firearm experience. Request photos of completed work and customer references so you can judge quality. Make sure to clarify turnaround time, cost breakdown, and any warranty. If a shop suggests a specific finish, ask for alternatives and the reasons behind the recommendation. This step avoids surprises and ensures your slide is handled by someone familiar with firearms and public safety. After the work is complete, have the weapon inspected and function tested by a qualified armorer. You want confidence in reliability and safety before any use. Make sure the shop provides written care instructions and a warranty for the finish. If you encounter flaking, discoloration, or fit issues, stop use immediately and return it to the provider for inspection rather than attempting DIY fixes. This protects both safety and warranty. Document the issue and follow the shop's remediation process to resolve it properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.